guys! We are now here at Henann, Panglao. So, there we magstay for 3 nights with my family. So, we've been here like 2 years ago. So, now we're back with my husband. So, he said he likes it. So, our first night here, nagstay sa ilang deluxe direct pool access. So, mag-room tour ta. So, uban na mo sa mong room si Matet, ako manghod. Nasya dinhi. Nagpahilata siya, gikapoy siya sa biyahe. Dayon, room tour! Front door, ilang toilets in here. In here. Then, mga nilang kukandahin. Wala sila brewer tet. Duha pagid ka tissue nila. Duha pagid ka tissue nila. Mauni akong outfit today. Then this is their room. Then the pool. Mauna niya mo pa na sila chair dire, kanidayon na ilang bar din here ang silina.
Ano sa'yo?
Ano to? Korean to sila?
Hi guys! So this is the family room of the Henann. Oh my god, there's a boiled egg over there! Okay, so there nagstay si Mamag, si Papa, and Ate Bing and her group. So room tour tayo! Relibo sa di ko sa kong ate, no? So ngayon lang bed. What's ni? Queen size? I think 1 queen size bed and then 1 single bed. And they have mirror here. Anya. Their TV. And then another mirror. Oh my god. Tawa naman kayo. Ala. And oh, amazing kayo lang place here, no? Ah. So they have another separate room dire. So bongge. So they have two single beds here. And then it's like a cabin sa kanang barko bitaw. Amazing siya, ha? Then they have their bathrobe here. 4. Because they are 4 persons staying here. And then this is their bathroom. Oy. Okay. So that's their comfort room. And then their shower room. And then their towels. Hair blower. I guess you have it all already.
So, nag-night swimming sila din Si Bing wala kaligo kayo now. Ladies night niya. Ladies night.
You go shower lang.
So, in front naman bar.
I know.
Young, dumb, young, dumb.